Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today I'll be telling you how you can transfer your website from one hosting account to another hosting account. So here we are in our previous hosting account. We have the domain and live website here, and we are here on the new hosting account where we have two websites already hosted, which I've purchased recently. So first of all, let's go to the dashboard of our website. Here we are in the dashboard of our WordPress dashboard of our website. First of all, we have to install a plugin all-in-one WP migration. This plugin you can see right here. I'll show you how you can install it. Go to plugins and then here click on add new plugin. Now type all-in-one WP and search. I have downloaded. You will get an option to download it and activate it. Install and activate. I'll be updating it right now. So now let's get back to the dashboard again. Now here hover on all-in-one WP and click on backups. I have already taken backups here. So you have to create a backup and then install it on your computer or any hard drive you have. You should install it on your PC. Create a backup from here, install it. Now the backup is stored in your computer safely. Now go to our hosting where we have our website, older hosting. Go to website list and then click on three dots and click on delete. Now our domain, it says it will be done in 10 minutes, but it will be done in within 1 or 2 minutes. Let's refresh the page. Now our previous hosting won't be having the website. It will be having the domain only. Here you can see no website in the websites list. Now let's jump onto our new hosting. Here click on manage, click on websites, click on website list. Here we can see the two websites we have. I'll be hiding everything uh, because it is my client's hosting. Click on add new and click on WordPress here. Now set up the ID and password for your WordPress website here. Click on next. Now you have to click on create blank site. Now write the domain which you have on your previous hosting. Here it will say that the domain is already registered on Hostinger account. Click on it, and then it'll say that we have found your domain on Hostinger, verify domain ownership. For that, you have to copy this TXT record and then add it to your DNS records. So read this information carefully, and now copy the TXT record from here. On the upper right corner, it says copied successfully. Now we are in the previous hosting. We'll go to domains, domain portfolio, and here we can see we have the domain. So we'll click on manage. Then we'll click on name servers. Do make sure you are in the DNS records. The name servers are already the Hostinger name servers because we are transferring from Hostinger to Hostinger. Here we will click select txt, keep it at the rate on the name, add the txt value here, the code, and make it to 14400 and add record. It says DNS record created successfully. Now here it says wait around 10 minutes for txt records to propagate and then click next. I have waited approximately 12 to 13 minutes here and then I click next. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for installing WordPress. I'll speed it up so you guys don't have to wait here. Now the website is live on our new hosting, but the website will be on the hello theme because we don't have the backup here. I'll guide you how you can install the backup, restore the backup which you have taken in the start from your previous website. Do watch this video carefully one time, or if you are not getting it, do watch it another time and follow the step by step process, and in the end you will have your website transferred from older hostinger account to the newer hostinger account. Let's go to hostinger. Currently our domain was on the preview domain, but it will be refreshed in 4 to 5 minutes. Here you can see we have transferred the domain successfully. We are going in the dashboard from our hostinger H panel. So now we'll have to install the all-in-one WP plugin again, but the previous version of it, because the new versions have some issues and it lacks sometimes. So this method always work. And I've already created a new video. I've already created a video for it. Go to plugins, click on upload plugin, choose file. Here I have the file. I'll just choose it. It was all in the WP 6.7 version. Click on install now. Now click on activate plugin. Now hover on all-in-one WP and click on import. Here you can import your file. Click on import button and the drop down will show you file, and click on file and browse the file from your computer. I have the web file on other tab, so I dragged it here. It took me around 6 to 7 minutes to upload the file. It depends on your website file size and the speed of your internet connection. Here it is showing 512 MB maximum upload size, but you can also increase it. I'll drop down the link in the description below of my another video in which have shown how to increase the all in the WP maximum upload file size without paying anything. So that's it. I speed up the process. Click on proceed. It will be done in a minute, in seconds. Yeah, just click on close. And now hover on domain and click on visit site. And let's see. And that's it. That was so easy. Our website has been uploaded successfully, and we have transferred our website from older hostinger account to newer hosting account. And you can see our domain is live on our new hosting. We'll be having the domain on our previous hosting, but our website is live on our new hosting. So that's how you can do it. And do let me know if you have any other questions in the comment box below. Do like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye bye.